bunch of slime, but at least it's slime. Does look like a lot. Should that be enough? A little bit more until it looks all mixed up. And if you want, you can add some dye. I'm gonna do some dye. It could be like fluffy slime if you wanted to make that, but we're just gonna do regular slime. And I think you have to get your hands a little messy. It's getting pretty good. All mixed together. Gotta get all of it on the sides down there. Some over here. And when it's done, you could probably just one more round of a loop. Get that over there. Okay, I think that's good. I think you have to tap it this way. And then push that down. Oopsie daisies. Okay, that should be good. And then you put the spoon right there for now. Put in that. And I think you have to add some dye now.
I mean, it's
A tiny bit.
Can I have mine?
A tiny bit.
Can I have mine?
And it's too much.
Can I have mine? Can I have mine?
Oopsie daisies. Or else too much, it would be overflow.
Can I
Not
have
yet.
mine? Can I have mine? Can I have mine? Aw,
Okay, one drop.
I want one
That's
too.
probably too much, but
Can I have one?
it's good.
Can I have one?
And then a little bit of blue. Thought that was gonna tip over.
I need it. I
Gotta
mean,
open it. If you don't have this kind of dye,
I mean, do
it's okay too.
I mean, do it.
Tiny drop.
I mean, do
Too much blue.
it. My blue.
And then you have to mix it all up.
And I can do it too.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Show them. It looks like rainbow. Oh my goodness, it looks like rainbow slime right now. So pretty. That noise was just that. It looks like purple tie-dye slime. That turned out way too good. So, by the title, it's probably gonna be tie-dye slime. Oh my goodness, it's just in heaven. Up here in the slime. I bet this slime looks so cool, doesn't it?
Can
That's
I do it
probably
too?
good.
Can I do it too?
It looks like purpleness. Now what do you do? Use your hands? Okay.
Can I
Probably
do
need to add some more, contact solution. Here, add some more contact solution.
Mom.
Way too sticky.
Sticky. So purple.
Ah,
I'll do it too,
sticky.
Dad.
No, it's way too sticky. Yeah, that would be good. Now mix that all together with your hands. Look at it.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
It looks pretty cool. And then some more contact solution if it's too sticky.
I'll do it, Jen.
Oh, now it's perfect.
I'll do it.
Then this on your hands. Whoa. No, Jordan, don't do it. It's way too sticky.
I'll do it.
Whoa.
I'll do it.
Gotta mix it all off the sides in there.
Can I do it?
And
too?
it's like perfect slime.
Yeah.
Homemade slime. If you ever heard what that was.
Channel. I want to play slime too.
I'm not playing with it. I'm making it.
I want to make it.
Mix it around.
I'm making it. I want to
Way
make it.
too much on my hands. Probably just do this and then put it back in the bowl. If it's too sticky, mix it up a little more. It feels like putty. That is perfect slime. Not too sticky. But bye. See you next time.